Hello guys! For today's morning, we will make Milo ice candy. O nagab o. The first step is to pour the Milo in the bowl. Ay! Lagay mo dito, babe. Gawa kami ng ice candy ni Gab-Gab. Pang merienda mamaya. Nagab, no? Next step, we will pour the milk.
Pour the milk? Let me try.
Sige, pour the milk. Use the spoon. 1, 2, 3. Ganyan. You mix together.
Okay. And butter?
And water. Hot water. Okay, mix. Mix.
Parang not can do it.
Okay. I'm adding more sugar. Okay na, babe? So, let's add more water.
Cold water?
Sige daw, ihalo mo na mabuti. And don't forget to put barley. So, we're adding amazing barley sa aming ice candy para maging healthy and yummy.
And come on, put it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ayan, ubusin natin yan, guys. Para hindi lang siya basta ice candy, hindi lang siya basta refreshing. Healthy din siya, of course. Mga sugar sa ilalim, kailangan matunaw. Okay, can I taste?
Mommy, me.
Sarap.
Mommy, let me try too.
May taste niya rin daw. Gaya man din siya, guys. Okay na? Sarap na?
Yeah, sarap. It's okay.
Ano may ginagawa mo? Ba yan? Nauubos na to sa tikim. Huwag mo na ibalik yan. Ako na SPG. Patnobay ng magulang kailangan. Slowly. Wow.
Okay.
I need more.
Okay. You wait.
Oops. Slowly. I think that's okay now. Okay.
I'll try.
Hala, swerte kayo makakuha ani, guys. So, kami lumuragdak ko. I think this is bigger compared to the first one I make. Ay! Gamato yan eh. So, boy, maubusin yung katikim. Kung talaga.
It smells nothing.
Smells amazing.
That's so yummy.
Yeah. Ako ani kay Dako. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa pinaka-last part. So, I'm expecting na itong pinakamalaking ice candy. Oh, di ba? So, ito yung babantayan ko na tumigas. Kasi ito yung pinaka-last. So, I'm so sure ito yung pinakamalaki. This is mine!
No, this is mine.
Alak ka!
This is mine. We can't hear it.
Ito kasi pinakamalaki. Hoy, daya mo. Akin yung pinakamalaki. Okay. Sige. Let's count how many candies na nagawa natin. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4,
ayusin. 5,
1, 8,
6, ayusin. 7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10.
11. Ito yung akin yung pang 11. Kasi ako ang gumawa. Ako
Akin
pinakamalaki.
Akin ko!
Okay, lagay natin sa ref.
Okay.